Hey there everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a tailstop finger flip. Alright, to learn the tailstop finger flip, it's super easy. Just land in your regular position. I'm goofy. You're going to lean back on the tail. So you do that tail stop. Bring that front foot back all the way down. You're going to grab the front with your right hand and you're going to flip it towards you while jumping up. So you're going to jump up in the air, tuck your legs, and while you're doing that, you're going to practice finger flipping. Just grabbing the board and going like that. Grabbing it and flipping it really fast. And then once you feel comfortable, go on the board, go into tailstop, put your foot down, grab it, and then what you're going to do is jump up. And while you jump up, you're going to flip it. Like that. Like that. So this trick is super easy and like anyone can learn it. Just go out, you can practice it, you can actually go out in the grass. Just go tailstop, bring that front foot back, grab it, and then flip it while jumping up. And that's the tailstop finger flip. Super easy to do. You can do this in one spot like so. Or you can like move and then tail, slide, stop, and then do it. So that's how you do the tailstop finger flip. So go out, try this trick. Please give this video a like, comment down below with more trick tips, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching everyone. Go and practice those tailstop finger flips. Whee!